Are you looking to protect your vehicle? Look what we have here, a 2025 Ferrari Roma. And this customer, same as you, want to protect his car. So he chose to put an immobilizer. And yes, he chose the best immobilizer available in the market, the IGLA Anti-Theft Immobilizer. And with that system in his vehicle, he knows he's going to wake up every day and see the car standing there and waiting for him. So I got the car keys, should be able to simply drive away. I'm going to get into the vehicle. I'm going to try to start the car. As you can hear, the car won't start. No matter what I do, the car won't start. Now I'm going to enter my temporary secret code. The code will be changed by the user. That way, he's the only one who knows it, and he's the only one who can disarm the system. I'll turn the ignition on. I'm going to enter my code, and I'm going to wait for my indication that the code has been accepted. I will see the indication on the dashboard. Once I got my indication, I'm going to turn the ignition off and restart the vehicle. Car running, car starting, I can drive to my destination. With the IGLA Immobilizer system in your car, you can feel safe. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.